I'll just sound out. Just listen carefully.
Okay.
G, g, n, n, d, d, l, l, m, m, b, b, s, s, z, z, ch, ch, k, k, t, t, h, h. That sounds. And moon is the sky and human and earth. So it's combination of that like this. Just first one. Human plus 하늘. The human plus sky. It's ah. 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 And one more sky. Human, one more sky. Then ya. 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 Sky and human, it's all.
All.
All. All. And two sky and one human, it's like y'all.
Y'all.
Y'all. Y'all. And the earth and sky, ooh. Ooh.
Ooh.
And two, yo. 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 And ooh. 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 And two, then you. You. It's
Okay.
not that meaning, though the combination sky, human, and earth, the combination of that is the vowel come from that.
Okay.
Yes. So e, e,
E.
e,
E.
e. Yes.